Welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about a motorcycle that's making waves in the biking world, the 2026 Yazdi. This new model is bringing back the spirit of the old-school classic with a modern edge, and trust me, it's something every bike lover needs to know about. The Yazdi name has always carried a sense of nostalgia. It reminds riders of the golden days of motorcycling, the rugged sound, the timeless design, and the strong personality that made Yazdi bikes stand out on the road. But the 2026 Yazdi is not just about the past. It's about blending that heritage with today's technology, comfort, and performance. Let's talk design first. The 2026 Yazdi keeps that retro look that fans love, the rounded fuel tank, the chrome touches, and the bold stance, but it adds a sleek, modern touch. The bike comes in fresh new color combinations that really pop. The LED headlights and taillights give it a premium look, while still maintaining that classic old-school vibe. The seat is more comfortable now, designed for both city commutes and long-distance rides, so you get the best of both worlds. Under the hood, the new Yazdi comes with a powerful and efficient engine that's built to perform. The throttle response is smooth, and the pickup is quick. Perfect for both everyday riders and those who love weekend road trips. It's fuel efficient too, giving you great mileage without losing that signature Yazdi power. The sound of the engine still carries that deep, satisfying note that bikers love. Strong enough to turn heads, but refined enough to feel modern. The ride quality is another big improvement. The 2026 Yazdi offers better suspension, smoother handling, and solid braking. Whether you're cruising through traffic or flying down an open highway, the balance and control feel rock solid. The new tire design also adds extra grip, giving riders more confidence even on tricky roads. The digital analog dashboard is a smart touch. It gives you all the modern information you need but keeps the classic look intact. There's also a modern LED setup that adds both style and safety. Small upgrades like these make a big difference when you're out riding day after day. What really makes the 2026 Yazdi special is how it connects with the rider. It's not just a machine, it's an experience. It gives you that raw, mechanical feel of a vintage bike while offering the refinement of today's engineering. It's the kind of motorcycle that appeals to both young riders discovering Yazdi for the first time and veterans who grew up loving it. In short, the 2026 Yazdi is a perfect blend of past and future. Stylish, strong, efficient, and full of attitude. It carries the legacy of the brand while moving boldly into the new era of motorcycling. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest bikes and automotive news. Ride safe, and see you in the next one.